Wagwan people, I wanna do. Before you watch this video, you need to watch the video before this. If you never watch it, the one we're entitled with friends like these who need enemies. People, me have a very, very serious question for ask. Where me can report the two little terrorists that must sit down behind me. People, me have two little friend, not friends, sorry. Ex-friend / two individuals, two little terrorists who terrorize me at daytime. People, after I come and work Monday, you remember I tell you about the little yellow shirt, and then me come in on my yellow shirt, and then call me Tweety Bird, and then call me Big Bird. Me never like it. I'ma tell them, I'ma vex with them, I'ma tell them say no more friendship. So me come in on my green shirt the following day. So people, me think said stop. So me never call her thin slice like when me did call her before, you know. All I passed and said innocently, Tinners. Who tell me to say that? When I pass back from the printer, just stop me and say, you know what I look like today? I look like a green lizard. Our friend jump in same time. I said, no, oh gosh, don't call him no green lizard. He don't look like a green lizard. He look like the Grinch. Them bust out in a laugh, I enjoy themselves. It never funny. It never funny. Miss Bailey and Miss Morrison. Yes, me I call the name again. So I don't know myself. I don't me I talk about. Yes, them bust out in a laugh. So me no trouble them for the rest of the day. Me I tell you, say them take set pa me in a people. All day be car them just a pull pa me. So me go to Google and me say, Alexa, two little terrorists are sit down behind me. How do I get rid of these people mouth off of me? Alexa say, I don't understand. Alexa couldn't help me, but me remember what my grandmother used to do when she was a little girl. When staying there in her clothes and can't get it out, she rub it up in with blue bomber and left it out in the sun for a number of days. So people, when I go home, I say, I get out the blue bomber and I soap up 3 times with it and I wash it off. And to them, I step out in a nice turquoise color. So when I pass them this to them, no. I want to see if the blue bomber work and the turquoise color work. They never say nothing. When I come back on my desk now, people, they say, here one of them. Oh, we're not traveling here today. You kind of look nice. Kind of look nice, you know, people. You kind of look nice. When I got the printer and then I study it, people. I study it and say, why? Oh, why them not take set for me today? So I say, no, people. So I think about it. I think about it good and long, I realize that the two of them come from a rural bushy part of Jamaica, yes. Where them have to take truck come a bus stop. And realize when them parents, from them father farm, them not used to these corporate colors. So my pass and say, oh, I don't used to these colors. That's why I can't trouble me about these colors. But people, on a serious note though, I want to know which government body or which security body me can report them terrorist activity. Yeah, we are going at daytime, them are terrorize me. And terrorism must go down. You, Miss Morrison, you, Miss Bailey, Uno are going to stop it. Because me and Uno, my ex-friend / individual stop. Look at terrorists, them must stop. No. Later, people.